And we're back with Emily for look 3, which is going to be a bit of a smoky eye. We're doing something a little bit different this time. We are actually going to use some cream eyeshadow that is a beautiful shimmery gold. So we're going to start with that as the base all over the eye. And then we're going to just add touches of the dark and blend, blend, blend. Once your base is done, then you're ready to start adding your darks. Now we are going to put moss in the crease. We're going to put emerald on the lid and onyx on the lash lines. Gorgeous. Okay, she's ready to blend. Something fun. We are actually going to do a green mascara. Get you even more Loki. Now the green mascara is limited and it is hard to find. It's hard to get. So if you want the green mascara, you have to let me know right away. We are going to use, as our final step, we're going to use this light cream color, and we're going to do a little strobing and highlighting, just to kind of pull everything together. Okay, so we're going to set this look with some makeup finishing spray. It'll help your makeup last 16 hours. If you've got a really crazy day, that's a good thing. Okay, so you want to hold it about halfway extended, closer than that. So, like put your arm almost at a 90-degree angle, and then you're gonna 90 degrees. There you go. And then you're going to, in front of your face, you're going to spray a cross and then an X. There we go. And so now her makeup will be set for 16 hours, which she probably won't need, but at least she knows it's not going to fade. And how do we love that look?